I'd like to find the road we roam together, swinging along, finding the long way home. We didn't mind the time or place or weather, singing a song, finding the long way home. Remember, I used to sigh at the end of each day, dear.
What is happening, house lovers and explorers? Alright, check out these 3 cottages. 3 in a row. Now this location, I was meant to get just when COVID hit, and I never got a chance, so finally back here, and it looks as though one of them's up for sale. They look a little bit more run down than, maybe it's because it's autumn and there's no leaves now, but bit of rough shape, but they all look to be open. So let's check them out. They're pretty old, these ones, guys, but oh, there's a whole heap of stuff left behind. Junk. This is a front porch added to the front of the cottage, because when you see how close it is to the footpath and the old picket fence, check it out. Right next to a main road. I mean, no wonder these places are trashed, they're very visible. Whole load of books. Sociology, themes and perspectives. Basic physics. The world of plants and polar life. There's a nice old mantle in there. We'll get in there, guys. Look at this front door, it's got a little bit of a portal. Have to go back to the early 1900s. This old cottage. Look at the paint peeling off there. Beautiful decay. Tongue and groove boarding. There's that mantle. That's the original mantle on that brick one. Unless that mantle's from a different room. But I've got a feeling this may be an old tobacco tin lid. Yep, an old Dr. Pat one. Very rusted. all the Aussies would know Dr. Pat, or remember Dr. Pat, even if it was your dad that smoked it. My dad certainly did smoke it. Now we'll have a bit of a squiz in here first. Well, the floor is completely bowed down. It looks like a shower door or a screen door of some type. Kids' pram. Not much else, guys, just a bunch of junk in here. Yeah, today's the first day that the rain has really not been so bad. There's a photo. There's some little army men there, guys. Yeah, it was drizzling a little bit earlier, but that's about it. Yeah, this place has long been abandoned, and obviously people have been through here as well. Wonder how. I suppose there will be some sort of indication if I can find. There's the Family Circle magazine. We've got a date there. October 1999. There you go. Well, these places do deteriorate pretty quickly when there's no maintenance done to them, so that's believable. Oh wow! Oh, that's where the mantle was off that old fireplace. Check it out, guys. That's awesome. There's another little section over there. But this is so indicative of the turn of the century, 1800s going into the 1900s. I love it. This was a pretty ornate fireplace back in the day, because there's the metal front that would have been installed in there, and then you would have had the mantle, the wooden mantle around that. Nice old cupboard there. An old Art Deco cupboard. Just some old chairs and things in there. Not much. Once again, a different colour though. Said this a few times, and definitely this week I've found a few homes. They really didn't hold back on using the colours. I think back in the 60s, you know, they kind of tried to freshen up these old places with the multicoloured rooms. Alright, we'll take a look out here. Oh, minus the cobwebs. Got that one. Oh wow. This is an interesting little place actually. We'll just go in this little hut first. There's your old exercise bike. There's an old dunny. It looks like we can walk straight across to the other two from here. Laundry and bathroom by the look. Yeah, the old bathtub's there. The Iberna freezer. No body parts. Bird's nest. Yeah, definitely the laundry and bathroom there, guys. There's like a little section here. We'll see what we can see. The floor does not feel real crash hot, guys. Just gonna pan around. It's just a little add-on. You got your chimney to the side of the house there. You got your ironing board. It kind of just looks like an extension or another part of where the laundry was done and handled. Yeah, that's about it. Oh man, this one didn't even have a drop. There would have just been a seat and a bucket, guys, and that's it. No plumbing, no update. Just your old dunny. just for now, guys, I'm not going to go too far down there because there is a residence with a granny flat over the other side of the far cottage. So we're heading to this one. Definitely all built together, guys. They're the same style. Oh man, this one's even better, guys. This one's got a little bit more. Whoa, even nature's coming through here. Looks to be a little bit better preserved, this one as well. They're old cookbook recipes. That's a relatively new-ish fridge compared to the age of the home. It's well and truly been dry and no longer smells, that fridge. Look at this though. They just left the dishes and moved out. Cooked a stir fry in the wok. Well, it's not really a wok, maybe a fry pan. And took off. They look like, I don't know, chips of wafers of some sort. The oven. This one's cool. This one is definitely in better shape than the first. Just love the feel of these old cottages. This one's not beyond bringing back. If you, okay, there's our first sign of some rot. Although that looks like someone ripped up the floor, maybe. But still some things left here. Some old sofa. Sorry, armchair, that one. That mantle's been redone, but it still looks really nice. Yeah, someone's made that hole, although the floor is wet. It's the only spot. That was probably someone's favourite spot after a day's work or during the day. And so was that one probably. Yeah, if there was anything of value in these places, it's long gone. This leads out to the front door. When it's actually open. And there's the front room too. So this is the front door. Beautiful picket fence out there too, guys. Oh, whoa, check it out. Big old flat screen. Now, sometimes people use these old homes as a dumping ground too, so you can't ever be certain whether that was actually a part of this home. But flat screens, that one's probably at least a 10-year-old one, so it's not really matching up with 1999. But then again, this cottage looks like it was probably in better shape and probably lived in the most recent. And of course, idiots have trashed the bedroom. There's the old bed base, and there's the mattress. This cottage would be one that you could bring back. It's not beyond that. Still got the old original doors, minus the switches. Although that is a reproduction, that one. Now at the end, guys, I'll get a better look at the front of this one. We'll do a walk by of the front after we check out here. I'm wrapped up in nature here. These are thorny ones too. I think it's the next one, guys, that's for sale. Actually, we might actually walk out the front door and check that one. But look at the yard. Definitely get some cool photos in this one after the video. Yeah, we'll just walk straight out the front, I think, guys. Oh. Try not to fall through here. I think this one's even in, it's in pretty bad shape, guys. Look at this cottage though. Just history rotting away. Oh, this one is in real rough shape. I don't even think it's got floors. Oh man. Yeah, this one's just a shell now. And just by looking, this one's the oldest out of the lot, I reckon, though I might be wrong. Maybe it's just never had anything altered. Yeah, even the flooring's been ripped up a long time ago. There's the old original Hessian wall coverings with the wallpaper on top. I suppose we can walk up the side and get a look there. I think I missed that little shed. Yeah, not much going on, guys, but this is the back little kitchen area. Whatever was in here has been taken and ripped up a long time ago. But there's a for sale sign. Maybe it means this whole lot. I'll try and do some research, guys. Try and see what this little shed is. That is a thorn bush. So my hand tells me. Yep. It is just a little... Oh, it's almost like a little cubby house for the kids. I'm only just leaning the camera in because I can't really get past this thing. So this one's my favourite. This one is well worth the trouble if someone had the money in the will to bring it back. So guys, that is it. There's the other couple I'm going to check. So I'll leave you with some images and footage from the front to give you a look at these 3 cottages better. Probably the first 3 homes in this town, or one of the first 3. We'll keep an eye on what happens here. So obviously part of it's up for sale. Alright guys, on to the next one. Thanks for watching. Jump in the comments if you want to. And I'll see you at the next spot. What is happening guys? Check out this little cottage. Just driving past, caught a glimpse of this little cottage. And it turns out there's kind of a little precinct in here. There's another building over behind that tank and some sheds over there. It's like a little reserve. So we're going to check it out. The door to this cottage is open. I'll just walk up a bit closer because the light's not getting in on the porch there too well. But this is a really, really old early settlers cottage. Really, really old, guys. Oh, check out the old bike. Wow. Definitely a mid to late 1800s build, this one, guys. You can tell by the little diagonal section that's on the roof. That's the way they used to build their ceilings. Tongue and groove boarding. See, there's a barbecue there. We'll take a walk around, guys, but I kind of get the feel this is kind of a little reserve, like a recreational reserve. I can't be certain though, but Let me know what era you think that bike's from. Have to go back at least to the 60s, you'd think, wouldn't it, guys? Another door there. No, that one seems like it's locked. Looks tiny from the outside, and it's not a large cottage, guys, but back in the day, this is what families used to live in easily. Now I've got a feeling that's where the original fireplace was. There was probably a chimney there. Yeah, look, you can see where the hearth used to be, which makes me think this cottage may have been moved here. Thus why it doesn't have the chimney still, guys. So it may have been moved here to create like a little precinct. I'll do a bit more research, guys, and see what I can find. But that's my guess. This little cottage was moved here. That's an oldie, that one. Alright, we'll keep moving around. There's another no. I think that door was. There we go. We'll take another look at this, where the chimney was. I'm not sure now, guys, because there's no real signs of it until you get here, which, yeah, there's different size wood slats. The old rainwater tank. See, there's another building over there. Definitely been placed there because it's sitting up on bricks. Very, very low little veranda there. Yeah, the planks of wood are all the same side on this side, and there's no seam down the middle. So I do think there was a chimney. Alright, we'll walk over here. This building's got the feel of an old schoolhouse. That looks to be like a shearing shed of some sort. Oh, okay. This might be a holiday home, because that window's not original and been redone. We'll see. No, that's secure. Okay, yeah, that looks like a farmer might obviously come and go from in there. Might be kind of a holiday home. yeah, there's something, probably a lock down the bottom there. I'm not gonna push that and break it. There's definitely a lock on the bottom of that door. And all the windows are kind of blocked out, or the blinds pulled down. Picnic table. I'll just take a quick walk over to this shed, but it's definitely a shearing shed, guys. You can see the ramp at the back. The old sheep trough. Yeah, the old shed's been closed up too, so we'll just leave that as it is. Classic old shearer's shed. So obviously this was the original functioning farm part. So I really think, unfortunately, we're not going to get in there for a look. Judging by that window, it's been opened up and possibly been decked out as some sort of little getaway, holiday getaway. So this was just an accidental, random fluke find, guys. If I've added some info, obviously you've seen it. Cute little cottage. Alright guys, on to the next one, and I'll catch you there. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.
Remember, I used to sigh at the end of each day.